Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2192 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your engine's air-fuel mixture. And if left unresolved, it can cause poor fuel economy, loss of performance, rough engine operation, and increased exhaust emissions. What does P2192 mean? P2192 stands for System to Rich at Higher Load Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the engine is running to rich on Bank 1 when the engine is under load or during acceleration. A rich condition means there is too much fuel and not enough air in the combustion process. When excessive fuel enters the engine, combustion becomes inefficient, resulting in reduced performance and increased fuel consumption. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2192, you may notice: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, black smoke from the exhaust, strong fuel smell, engine hesitation, rough engine operation, reduced engine power, and increased exhaust emissions. In some cases, the vehicle may feel sluggish during acceleration. Component location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is usually located between the air filter box and throttle body. The oxygen sensor for Bank 1 is installed in the exhaust system. Fuel injectors are mounted on the fuel rail, and the fuel pressure regulator may be located on the fuel rail or inside the fuel tank depending on vehicle design. The most common causes of P2192 include leaking fuel injectors, faulty fuel pressure regulator, excessive fuel pressure, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, faulty oxygen sensor, restricted air filter, evap system faults, or ECU issues. In rare cases, a leaking injector is one of the most common causes because it continuously delivers extra fuel into the engine. Quick diagnosis: start by checking live fuel trim data using an obd2 scanner. Inspect the air filter and intake system. Check the MAF sensor for contamination. Measure fuel pressure using a fuel pressure gauge. Inspect oxygen sensor readings and test fuel injectors for leakage. If fuel trims are highly negative during acceleration, the engine is likely running rich. How to fix P2192? Replace a dirty air filter, clean or replace the MAF sensor. Repair leaking fuel injectors, replace a faulty fuel pressure regulator. Repair EVAP system issues, replace faulty oxygen sensors if needed. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2192 will restore the correct air-fuel mixture on Bank 1. Improve fuel economy, reduce exhaust emissions, improve engine performance, and help your vehicle run smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.